Hello and welcome to another exclusive and official Harryhausen unboxing. This time it's Talos from Jason and the Argonauts.
Jason and the Argonauts, the classic story of an epic voyage that has been told and retold since the birth of Western civilization, now presented on the screen for the first time. Pull! Pull! Till your hearts crack and your backs break! Jason and his band of Argonauts, the mightiest warriors the world of adventure has ever known, in search of the fabulous magic golden fleece.
Now, to get a full background on the creature of Talos and the history of the restoration and the legacy of the model, then check out the other playlist videos for Talos, including Talos attacking the Argo and the gigantic 50cm Talos. Right, let's get unboxing. Well, the first thing to notice here for viewers of our regular unboxing videos, a very different style here, very pared back. This is a limited edition Talos Awakes, and you can see he's in high gloss against a simple black background. Of course, it pushes the Talos figure and his iconic pose on the Isle of Bronze front and centre. Details on the back here about the sequence, quite iconic even in silhouette. The sailors here of the Argo go somewhere they shouldn't, where they've been told by the gods not to, and decide to take a few baubles, a gold pin and some pearls. Talos here is in polyresin, so he's packed in foam quite tightly with bespoke shapes cut through the foam to capture Talos and his base nicely. Inside, of course, he's nicely buried away there in the foam. First his plinth, the sword, and finally Talos himself. As always, this comes with instructions. Incredible. Now the colouring here, it's more than just bronze, it's aged bronze. So there is that slight green hue you can tell here. And of course, Star Race Toys and the Kaibotsuya studios who create these wonderful sculpts pay particular attention to the colouring. This looks like aged and battered bronze. In my book Harryhausen The Lost Movies, we cover the whole sequence on the Isle of Bronze, showing other scenes that could have been shot but weren't. Beneath the base, Ray Harryhausen's Talos Awakes, and it's nicely footed there with rubber corners. Now Talos himself sits proudly with a simple metal registration peg on his right foot into a hole that's already pre-cut on the base there. Next up, the sword, again a pre-drilled hole, fits nicely into Talos's right hand. And there you are, Talos Awakes. Classic sequence in the film where he turns his head to the left and staring at the two sailors, Nigel Green as Hercules and John Cairney as Hylas. No spoilers of course, but if you haven't seen the film, check it out. Things do not go well for them both. Incredible detailing close up, just like the plinth base. This has a bronze green effect to show the aging on the Isle of Bronze, the many thousands of years that Talos has sat there waiting, guarding the jewels of the Olympians, of the gods. So there's Talos, ready for action with the brand new box design. Let us know what you think of these designs. Message us below the video. And now all it leaves us to do is have one of our all-important on-screen comparisons. Let's go!
It must have been the wind.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that epic Harryhausen unboxing. Remember to check out Talos on this playlist, Attacking the Argo, and the gigantic 50cm Talos too. You can find out more about the Ray Harryhausen Foundation here at rayharryhausen.com, where you can find our social media and podcast links too. Now, if you'd like to win your very own Talos Awakes figure from Star Race Toys with this marvellous plinth base too, then simply subscribe to my channel here and comment below the video. You're in with a chance. Good luck, and we'll see you next time.